Kim, come and show me your own. Hey. Wow, this is so beautiful. See my babies. Happy Mother's Day. Guys, don't mind us. We are just testing. Oh yeah, Mona do filato for me. Oh yeah. Hey, turn around. Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be doing Naija unboxing. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. First of all, guys, in fact, you see this bako bag. Oh my god. So guys, I asked them to sew me like a boo-boo and like a direct boo-boo, and oh my god, without having my measurements, like the guy did an amazing job. If you're interested in the tailor that made this outfit, you can put it on the comment section, or if you have me on Instagram, you can send me a message on see how my baby is looking. Oh my god. So you can put it on Instagram, send me a DM, and I will send the number to you. Which one you call the backup bag? Gege. Oh yeah, give me Gege. Alright guys, so let me not make this video too long. Let's go. So this one is my own. It's so beautiful. And I've got like I've got gala, guys. Like I'm busting out of excitement. Chai.
It's more valuable than flour.
I'm laughing, guys. I have an abacha. Bring it. Let me show them. This my sister is great. Oh my god, I got abacha. Then, guys, I have this one, alonga for fried rice, spices. I got cocoyam powder. For my gege, for my open nugbu. Chai. Wow. I'm so happy. This one is my dried fish. I opened it before. Hey, give me one. Open it. Then this is my Ojeabulu gari. Hey, this is my bitter leaf for my ofe onugbu. Oh, see, like, oh my god. See, he got me a guru set. Oh my goodness. So that so thoughtful. This seed is here. I saw it just now. It's all these ones. You see this here? Mathematical set. For kids. Oh.
Nigeria, so you have a
Oh. This is my sister. Oh my goodness.
It's a bullet.
Oh, I have pepper, guys. Chai. So guys, to save money. Oh my god. Oh god, so thoughtful. Yeah, I got my granola. Gege. Oh my god. Okay guys, so this is my oil. Like, hey. I've got this one.
You never clog.
No.
Chai. Hey, my granola too. Nigerian suya spice. Hey, guys, I said pepper is suya spice, so this one is suya spice.
Onga.
Chai. Guys, guess what this is?
Palm kernel.
Open this one and the other one so that I'll show them.
Palm kernel, abi?
Uh-huh.
Or banga.
Uh-huh.
The
This is the highlight of my day, guys. Father rice with my father's sauce. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Chai, Pepper spices. Chai. You know, be like that black one where they see you while you stay cool. Oh, see fresh banga, guys. See fresh banga. See kuli kuli. It be like kuli kuli. Hey, bitter leaf.
Okay.
Guys, see kuli kuli. Steffi, April. Kim, open that one. Hey. Oh no. I see my stomach already. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. No. I didn't know you were bringing it fresh. Oh. Oha leaf or oha soup. Hey.
Wow.
Guys, see fresh. See abacha. See fresh leaf for oha soup, guys. Hey. Guys, fresh abacha ingredients. Chai chimo. See oh, you got us saving box. Ukoko. Oh my god. Oh, this one is melon. Oh no. Oh. Keep open this one. See this one, just a catch cruise and just. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. How did you even let all these things pass? Chai! This one is a pepper soup spice. Guys, this one is the original locust beans. Iru. Like this thing stinks like hell. Oh my god. Then he got me alum and
So wash the snail. Wash it very well.
And pepper soup fish too. That's this like. See.
Wow, Mama, now you can cook egusi.
I can cook egusi, my picky. Oh my goodness, fresh egusi.
Okay, one is for me.
Wow, fresh. Guys, these are the stuffs I got. I'm so excited. Like, I'm literally busting out of excitement, but I don't know how to act right now. I can't wait to enjoy my sister will be so excited, and my fresh banga, guys. Can you beat that? All thanks to Odogunaya. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, babe. Thank you so much. Like, I didn't expect this. Seriously. Like, guys, can you fresh stockfish? I've got fresh things for oha soup. Then I've got this one too. Like, chai.
Wait, not like
No, kuli kuli, but they roll it. Like, seriously. And outfits for my babies. Like, I remember I post for me. See that? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This actually made my day. I'm so excited.
The suya sauce.
And the suya sauce too.
Oh, and the melon.
How can I even forget? The melon. Guys, see. To save money. See, for the guruse.
Then, what is this? Potash.
Yes, potash powder.
For the correct owosu.
Like, this is
Owoto.
And
Iru, baby girl.
wow, thank you all so much for watching this one. I'll chop on now off the scene. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.